have I not been?
This is like a big place, dude. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
It's muddy news.
I've heard of it.
Neither have I. Nope, never heard of it.
They didn't say I want to cut. I want to change it. Sealed. So, like,
we need brown sugar. That's one of the things.
like that.
Yeah.
Drop it like it's hot.
How do we go? Wheat flour.
Baking soda. The goose food.
How's taking so long? Go, 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 go! Get in, get in! Okay, just in time for Thanksgiving, we have a great recipe using pumpkin beer. Today we're going to show you how to make pumpkin spice pumpkin beer Craisin cookies. So let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour, half a can pumpkin byproduct, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a cup brown sugar, half a cup of butter, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of craisins, and 72 ounces of pumpkin beer. Good stuff.
First step, bring 1 whole stick, or in this case 2 half sticks of butter to room temperature and cream together with the white and brown sugar until smooth. It should look something like that by the time you're done. After that, mix together the whole wheat and all-purpose flour. Don't worry about washing your hands, I think it adds a much-needed tang to the cookies. Once the flour is thoroughly mixed together, cut it slowly into the butter mixture. I have no idea what cut it means, but I assume what Emily is doing is it. It helps if you have a sheet brewer on hand to help you out with this process.
We have our mixture of the cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and half a can of pumpkin filling.
Oh!
And we're gonna just sort of plop in there. God, I hope this is right. I am not a baker. I am many things. A baker is not what I look. So we got our beer. We're gonna measure out 1 1/4 cups. Okay. This is all the beer we're gonna need for the recipe. The other
5.
62 ounces. All right, start your stirring. Would you like me to stir and you pour?
Sure.
Why do we do it slowly? Or
Do it too fast, and it hardens up.
okay.
I don't know.
Just makes sense.
Emily's a biologist. Ask her.
Just makes sense, man. Just makes sense.
I strongly suggest if you have one of your fancy stand-up mixers to use that, because this is f***ing weak.
Now, how did we start making
You know,
baked goods out of pumpkin? Did the Indians taught us? Did the Indians teach
baked goods out of
teach us?
pumpkin?
Yeah,
You mean like pumpkin pie?
yeah, and stuff.
Google it.
Google it.
For Thanksgiving is to celebrate Pocahontas' birthday, right?
What?
I thought so, right?
No. What? No.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, no, maybe Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha.
Sacagawea.
Yeah. Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha.
Okay. Sacagawea was the native girl that helped Lewis and Clark along on their voyage.
Did they teach them how to make
Pumpkin pie? Maybe. Where's Emily? Emily, you know from cookie dough. Does it need to be thicker?
Maybe a little bit.
Oh, you're supposed to have baking soda.
Oh. Oops.
baking soda. Don't forget it. In the event that it seems a bit too watery, just go ahead and add equal parts of more flour. So in this case, I'd say about half a cup. That means a fourth a cup of all-purpose and a fourth of a cup of whole wheat. Okay. Let me stir it and get it all integrated. See if we need more. What do you think? Need more? Is that good? That looks good. Then, last but not least, Craisins. These things are awesome. We've never had them. What are you doing?
Actually, try
Thank you.
the Craisin.
That's way too close.
All of it.
All of it.
Boom. That's a little bit more.
No, that's good. Because trust me, there's nothing worse than getting a bit of cookie that you really want a bit of Craisin in, and there's no Craisin in the cookie. Okay, so our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We need a baking dish, which we have right here. This is very heavy. Why is this so heavy?
Yeah, that's what she said.
Touche. Okay. So, about like that. Emily, help me. These are gonna be some funky looking shaped cookies.
They flatten out, okay?
Oh, this.
Once you have the cookies laid out, pop them in the hot box for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the oven.
Occupy the oven. Cookies. You be laughing. You're laughing.
Not respected.
Now we wait.
After about 15 minutes, your cookies should look like that. If you aren't sure if they're done or not, give them the old fork test.
Clean as a whistle.
Don't you wish you had some?
Oh, this is really good, Ori. So guys, it's easy as that. Some delicious pumpkin spice cookies. So tune in next time. Please subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. And see you next week.